Hello everybody, here we are once again with John Collins from Southern City College, Birmingham. A short 2-minute demonstration in conjunction with Kewtech instruments on their new Kewtech KT111 smart meter. Called smart, it's only got one button. Here we go, press and hold it up, and on it comes. Now the best thing about this is that you don't need to do anything. I'll give a quick demonstration. It automatically detects a DC or an AC voltage as well as resistance. And this true RMS tester couldn't be easy to use. Here's a quick demo, just doing continuity. Doing a DC voltage. And last but not least, an AC voltage. And this smart meter has really been brought out for people who do fault finding on AC and DC panels, alarm engineers and people like that for such like. But there you have it, the Kewtech KT111. Remember folks, Johnny Ace is on the case.